So welcome everyone. Today is our next revision lecture on dispute resolution and contract and tort, because those subjects go together as a bundle. And here with me today is Oliver Gray, business and commercial property solicitor. Hi, Oli.
Hi, Olga. Thank you again.
I'm excited about the topics. We are going to cover today appeals, because we've received some questions and it needs some clarification. The topic is pretty tough, I would say. We are going to cover today, besides appeals, a little bit of tort, specifically private and public nuisance. And Oliver is expert in regard to those topics. He has been working extensively with different properties and property-related transactions. So it's actually very much related to property, especially private nuisance. Obviously, we have multiple choice questions to affix the knowledge. And we will cover some contract law issues, specifically things related to mistake and also other kinds of circumstances that may lead to termination of contract and discharge of contract, which is definitely very relevant in the context of dispute resolution. That's substantive law.